Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner Finn Austin here, and I'm gonna show you this play a song book. This play a song book is called Sing Along with Nella and Friends. This is a really nice book. It talks and it plays music. Let's turn the page. And the first song is called Giant Friends Come Out to Play. And this is the version of girls and boys come out to play. Let's listen to the song.
I'm Nella, the Princess Knight.
I got this book at Bet's thrift store. And here's the second song. And this song is called Oh Dear, What Can the Matter Be? So we need to press this button right here.
Let me check my nightly trading cards.
Okay. So the third song is called For She's a Sparkly Champion, and this is the version of For He's a Jolly Good Fellow. So we need to push this button right there.
Being sparkly is kind of my thing.
Okay. So the fourth song is called If You're Happy and You Know It. So we need to push this dragon button.
My baby.
Okay. So the fifth song is The More We Sing Together, and this is the version of The More We Get Together. So we need to push this green monster goblin thing button. Guys, guys, check the comments below guys, tell me in the comments what this green goblin monster's name, because I don't know what the green goblin monster's name. So we need to push this green goblin monster button.
Awesome.
And the last song is Make New Friends. So we need to push this button right there. That's the biggest button. We need to push this button.
Time to be a Princess Knight.
Here we go. So here is this play a song book. Sing along with Nella and Friends. Here's the back of the book. And here's the battery compartment right there. And I don't know, and and here's this button that you can press to stop the music. See? Listen.
My baby.
See, if you push the button, it if you push that button, it stops the music. That's a pretty cool play a songbook. Yep, so check the comments about all of you Play a Songbook fans. Check the comments and watch this Play a Songbook video that this book, and you can tell me the comments what the songs are. Yep. So I'm gonna tell you something. If you like Nella the Princess Knight, I'll respect your opinion as long as you respect mine. Opinion respected. Got it? Got it, guys. Remember, if you like Nella the Princess Knight, I'll respect your opinion as long as you respect mine. Here we go. So here's this book. Yep, so I'm gonna tell you something from Bob Burger 2018. If you like Nella the Princess Knight, I'll respect your opinion as long as you respect mine. Opinion respected. Okay, so this is a really awesome book. This awesome Play a Song book. Yep, so I got this book at Beth's thrift store. I got this book yesterday at Beth's thrift store. So goodbye and have a great day, guys. And I'm gonna tell you something. Okay. I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna tell you something, all of you Go Animate fans. If you like Nella the Princess Knight, I'll respect your opinion as long as you respect mine. Opinion respected. Got it? Right. Good job. Okay, so goodbye and have a great day. And have fun doing those stuff.